Ako nun sa email lang kasi ako eh. Very straightforward. Website, email. That's all. Walang Facebook, walang YouTube, walang Twitter, walang Instagram, walang TikTok. None of those. That can still operate up to this day. Because even up to this day, despite of all the social media platforms that we have right now, email is still the most profitable way to market and sell your products. Think about this. How many emails you get from me? If you think about it, baka sabihin ng iba, Sir Jon, madalas ka sa video. Yeah, pero kung titingnan mo yung video ko sa negosyouniversity.com, yung consistently, it just started roughly about 12 months ago. Because I also tried to create yung IBMC program that will work for nearly everyone. You don't have to be like me, sound like me. You don't have to create video as often as I do. No. Okay? In fact, kaya nga yung iba akala nag-i-scam ako because when they search my name, Jon Orana ebook, hindi nila makita yung ebook ko. Because when I started in this business, I even use a pen name. So wala na akong video, wala na akong picture, walang Instagram, walang Facebook, nothing. I even use a pen name. It's crazy, right? It's crazy, I know. And yeah, that's how it works. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.